Your smartphone is full of surprises. There's an app if you want to use your phone as a magnifying glass or scanner. Third-party programs can take up space on your phone, and many are redundant thanks to your phone's built-in capabilities. Quick response codes, better known as QR codes, are those pixelated squares you see in restaurants, advertisements, stores, food packaging, business cards, airline tickets, you name it. Some developers would lead you to believe you need to download their app to scan them. Here's a spoiler: your phone can do that with built-in features. QR codes were initially created to track automotive parts, but now they're used for much more. How many calories are in those fries? Where can you buy the outfit you see in an ad? How many miles can this car travel on a gallon of gas? A quick QR code scan can resolve all these questions and more. Think of this tag as a smart barcode. QR codes existed long before smartphones, and your device can scan them right out of the box. Here's how to use this helpful feature without third-party software. Third-party scanning apps are popular, making them prime delivery systems for malware. Hackers hide dangerous code in these helpful apps, which can steal your money, hijack your personal information, or even take over your device. Here's how to scan a QR code with your iPhone's camera app. Your iPhone's built-in camera app can scan QR codes, and it's as easy as taking a photo. Here's how. Open the camera app and hold your iPhone so the QR code appears in the viewfinder. Your phone should recognize the QR code and give you a notification. Tap the notification to open the link associated with the QR code. Now here's how to scan a QR code with your Android phone. Your Android phone's camera likely can scan QR codes without the use of a third-party app. Here's how. Open the camera app and hold your Android phone so that the QR code appears in the viewfinder. Your phone should recognize the QR code and give you a notification. Tap the notification to open the link associated with the QR code. If you aren't notified, go to Settings and enable QR code scanning. Samsung's camera app comes with native support for QR code scanning. Here's how. Open the camera app and hold your Samsung phone so the QR code appears in the viewfinder. Your phone should recognize the QR code and give you a notification. If you aren't notified, go to Settings and enable QR code scanning. Google Lens started as a feature in Pixel phones, but soon became standard in many Android phones. The tool is part of your camera app and can do many things, from identifying a dog breed to translating text. Here's how to use it. Open your camera app and tap More and go to Google Lens. Now you'll have a lens icon you can use whenever you open your camera, and it can scan QR codes. You can also use Google Assistant to activate Google Lens. Say, "Okay Google," then tap Google Lens at the bottom screen. Samsung's virtual assistant Bixby can help you learn more about anything with a QR code. Here's how. Launch your camera app and tap Bixby Vision. Then tap Allow to enable permissions and enable all pop-up permissions. Scan and tap Go to navigate to view the QR code content. While convenient and entertaining, scanning a QR code can expose you to malware or scams.